Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious burger tikki at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need about 2 to 3 medium-sized potatoes, 1 cup of fresh green peas, and a selection of your favorite aromatic spices like cumin powder and red chili powder. Don't forget a binding agent, such as 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs or corn flour, to help hold everything together. Also, have your cooking oil and a good non-stick pan ready for frying these delightful patties. Now let's craft the perfect tikki mixture. Begin by boiling 2 to 3 medium-sized potatoes until they are tender, then mash them smoothly. In a separate pan, sauté 1 cup of fresh green peas with a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste until they are slightly soft. Next, combine the mashed potatoes, sautéed peas, and a teaspoon of garam masala in a large bowl. Finally, mix in 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs to ensure your mixture binds firmly, creating a consistent texture. With your mixture ready, it's time to shape and fry your tikkis. Divide the entire mixture into 8 equal portions to ensure consistent sizing for your burgers. Gently flatten each portion into a round patty, aiming for about 1 inch in thickness. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Carefully place the tikkis in the hot oil and fry each side for 3 to 4 minutes, or until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and are crispy. Finally, it's time to enjoy your delicious homemade burger tikkis. For the best flavor and texture, serve them immediately while they are still warm and crispy. These tikkis are perfect when paired with fresh burger buns, crisp lettuce, and juicy tomato slices. You can also offer a variety of sauces, such as a tangy mint chutney or classic ketchup, to complement their rich taste. Gather your family and savor these delightful, flavorful burger tikkis you've created.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.